In this video, we will be learning how to remove soft focus blurriness and how to enhance eye details with dodge and burn technique in Photoshop. Hey there, this is Akshay from Pixel Media, and without a further ado, let's get started. First, we will quickly fix soft focus from our subject's eye. To zoom into an image, hold Ctrl or Command, spacebar and left click and drag it to the right. Now duplicate the layer and then desaturate it by pressing Ctrl Shift U or in Mac, Command Shift U. Now go to Filters, Other and High Pass. In High Pass, select the value which will enhance your soft focus area depending on your image. It will be mostly in between 2 to 4 pixels. Once you done it, hit OK. Now change the layer blend mode to linear light. As you can see, it sharpens overall image. So for that, we will create a negative mask by holding Alt or Option and click on the mask button. Now take your brush tool by pressing B on your keyboard. Make sure flow is around 30 to 40% and paint over the eye. Take a note that when you remove soft focus from an area, it is very essential to remove a little bit blurriness around that area too. So for that, decrease the flow even further and paint around the nearby areas to keep it natural. And here we go, it looks more natural now. Now we will enhance details in the eyes of our subject. Select adjustment layer icon and choose curves. In the curves, drag the point up to make image brighter and change its blending mode to screen. Now select the mask and press Ctrl I or Command I to invert it. We are going to paint eye details, so zoom in nicely so you can work on easily. Press R key to enable the rotate tool, rotate the canvas to a comfortable position and then select brush tool and keep its size small and flow around 20 to 30% and start painting strokes over the bright areas. While making strokes, make sure you paint by considering pupil, that black part of the eye, as a center point of all strokes. When you are in a brush tool and you want to rotate the canvas, hold the R key and adjust the canvas. And when you are done, just release the R key and you will be back in the brush tool. Also make a note that while painting reflection, paint on the opposite side of the shining area. That's where usually reflections appear. Now we will make edges of our reflection softer by painting black on mask with large size brush. Just paint nearby edges to give a softer touch. Now obviously it's too intense, so we will go to blending options. And in blending options, under the blend if section, we will delete blacks from the underlying layer. Just move the slider to right and hold Alt or Option key and click on it to break the slider apart and adjust both the sliders where the details look more natural. What basically blend if do is that it deletes dark areas of underlying layer from this layer, which is curves layer. So this curves adjustment will only affect on the bright areas of the image. Now the next step is dodge and burn. For that, create another curves adjustment and drag it up. Invert the mask by pressing Ctrl I or Command I and keep the brush flow low around 4 to 5% and simply paint on bright areas. Next, we will create another curves adjustment layer and drag the curve down and invert the mask. Now paint on the edges of the iris. This will create a nice depth in the eyes. I will just quickly rename them and group them all. And for another eye, just duplicate the group, select a move tool and move it to other eye. You can also adjust with arrow keys on your keyboard. Later, you can also adjust the opacity of the whole group. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something valuable, and if you did, I would love to share more content with you. So make sure to subscribe and also ring the bell icon to get quick notifications. Thank you for watching.